Valentine's Day. Let's try that again. Happy Valentine's Day. I just wanted to hop on and say good morning to you. I am working today. However, I have an appointment this morning and this afternoon, and I need to run by the store to pick up hubby's Valentine's Day gift. Y'all, I am a procrastinator. This week has been a mess, okay? But I am so grateful that we've gotten through it. So I am almost at my destination. Going to Sephora real quick. And then I need to stop at the grocery store to grab a few things that we're out of, as well as Layla's dog food. Y'all know how that goes with her fresh pet, honey. That stuff just goes so fast. It seems like we just got that like a few days ago. She loves it, so we're not going to take that away from her. She is so excited at breakfast and dinner time, so we're going to keep it going. Her vet appointment went perfectly. She is healing well. They still have the sutures that will eventually dissolve, so that's good. But she's eating both her kibble and her fresh pet, and she's back playing with her toys, which is her joy. Okay, so we're all, husband and I are just very happy about her healing and how she's feeling. She's definitely back to herself. I just wanted to drop in and say hello and happy Friday. Valentine's fell on a Friday this year. I'm not a fan of very large crowds, so we tend to go out the day after Valentine's, which I think a lot of people have adopted that process. So it'll be a busy weekend at restaurants just all weekend, but that's okay. We're just gonna chill tonight. I have 2 appointments, like I said earlier, and then we're gonna relax. Our Love is Blind comes on tonight, as well as Ready to Love. So we're gonna just enjoy some good dinner over Netflix tonight, and then we'll celebrate tomorrow on Saturday. But I hope you all are having a great Valentine's, and I'll talk to you soon. Good morning, happy Saturday. Y'all, it looks like it is dark, like nighttime, and it is 8:08 a.m. and I'm on my way to Body Pump. Wow, it's gonna be a nasty weekend with the weather, but I'm still gonna make it to Body Pump. This is really scary though. I haven't seen it this dark in a long time. Oh, I fed Layla this morning. Honey, I just realized yesterday during dinner that she ran out of her dog food. So my husband had to get up early and make it to the store so I could feed her before we head to the gym. So yeah, I've been up pretty early for a Saturday, but it's all good, it's all good. We're supposed to do dinner tonight for Valentine's Day. You know, it's the day after, but it is so gloomy. And tonight, around the time that we want to go, it's going to be severely storming. So I don't know if I want to be out in that or not. So we may have to kind of revisit that. I expect love shown to me 24/7, okay? 365 days out of the year, okay? But we had a great one. I'm going to show you this beautiful bracelet that my husband got me, y'all. It is so cute. I appreciate him. Y'all, let me focus on this road, and I will get back on here once I finish my gym class. Just got out of Body Pump. It was so good. We just had a launch last weekend, and they introduced new music and new Body Pump techniques, routines. And y'all, the shoulder one is everything, and the lunges about took me out, okay? They about took me out. My husband's still at the gym. He's finishing up, and he has to go to Lowe's to get some filters for our air conditioning unit. Supposed to switch those out every 3 months. Not switch them out, but, you know, replace them every 3 months. So he's going to do that. I think we're going to Stony River for our Valentine's dinner. We'll see how this rain is around dinner time. We probably need to make a reservation. I haven't done that. So I'm on my way home to let Layla out, and I think I'm going to fix me some scrambled eggs. My husband grabbed some banana nut muffins from the store this morning when he grabbed Layla's food. So I may have some bacon, scrambled eggs, and half of those muffins. Those muffins are huge. So I'm gonna watch the sugar intake today.